I'll hold it so you can see everybody.
Yeah, man, big up for yourself. I'm running to the brother again today. And as you realize,
Come over. Come over.
I'm have a big snake today.
Right
yes,
there.
baby, like an anaconda for the pump up. And it's a girl, he want to put the snake out of my neck. So because he want to put the snake on me, I'm going to get naked today. I'm going to get naked for the snake because you have to get naked for the snake, right? So I don't know, see that today. I'm out there right now, I'm going to get naked. You can't see me good? Bowl? Can you see me, Frank? Head to toe. Hello.
Now.
Yes, man. So right now, I'm going to get the snake. I'm going to snake it up. Yes, baby. I'm going to snake it up. So you have to go and big up Jamaica, Toronto, England, all over the world. I want to big up for yourself. And of course, I'm going to lift them up and push them up. All right, Elisa, come on. Come on. Ready? Come give it to me. Yes. Yes, man. So big up for yourself. God is good and His mercy endures forever. Whoa. Don't stay too far a blood clot, my friend. It's a tingle. You feel like a big penis. Come take it off now. All right. Me think me have enough to blood clot right now. Why? Big up on yourself, my love.